Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? So how exciting, guys. I finally finished Nefertiti. Nefertiti is by Mandie Manzano and it's from Diamond Art Club. I started this beautiful painting on May 2nd and I finished it on May 28th. It is a round and it's 12.6 inches by 22.8 inches, which is 32 centimeters by 58 centimeters. Okay, and it's got 31 beautiful colors. It already came with, well, it came with one AB, and which is 129, which is this one. So it came with this AB. It's like a bright, not a bright yellow, it's like a light yellow actually. And it also came with 3 special drills. Okay, so the special drills would be, let's see, can you see? This one is a special drill. These here for the necklace is a special drill. This one up here is a special drill. This one and the one up here. Okay, which is pretty cool. It came with a lot of special drills. Let's see, what can I say about this painting, guys? It is spectacular. Spectacular. I sent the picture to my daughter and she loved it so much that she said might be her favorite one. So I was going to keep it, but after she said that, I am actually going to frame it and I'm going to gift it to my beautiful daughter. All right, so let me just explain something, okay? This painting, guys, if you decide to change drills, which I did because I'm a nut, I changed, I think it was 17. Yeah, I changed 17 drills and I changed 13 of them. I basically, instead of using a regular drill, I used ABs, and I changed also three drills for 3 sparklers and 1 glow glass. Now the glow glass, which is this one, this was the color. This was supposed to be for the eyes, right? And this was 3865. And I decided to use the opal pearl glow glass for the eyes because I reached out to people and I asked, hey, what ABs or sparklers should I use? And Tima and some other people, very nice people on Facebook, suggested I use this one, and I did, and actually brings it out. It looks really, really great on the eyes. Okay, let's see. And then I used well, like I said, I changed a lot of colors. I'm not going to say them all because there's just too many, but let's see. I'm trying to remember. Okay, over here, I actually added ABs. I added ABs in the background. I added ABs in here, in this background here. As you can see, I also added all over here. I just added ABs just to make it more sparkly. Let's see. I also added ABs down here. I don't know, I guess these are like bubbles, right? In the background. It seemed to me like it was bubbles, but it reminded me of, what do you call that, stained glass. So I wanted to bring that out a little bit. And that's why I added ABs there. And then of course I added some more down here on her necklace, on her beautiful gown. Yeah, so I went a little bit bling crazy, but why not? I mean, look at her. She was a queen. She's spectacular. What else? The canvas glue on this was perfect. The symbols were clear. The drill quality was excellent. Now, here's the thing that I was going to, because I just remember, because I forget everything. Because I changed so many drills, this was the problem. This time I actually didn't remove all the plastic covering. So what I did was I added release paper, like 2 rows, right? I added release paper on 2 rows, and then I just left the plastic, and I would continue while I was working my way up. I would cut the plastic. The only problem, well, let me give you a tip, because this is where I went nuts, and nothing to do with the painting, because I love this painting, but I basically use release paper. So when I put the release paper down here, the 3 of them, I started working like I usually do. I started working from my right to the left, or sometimes I start from the left to the right, doesn't matter. The problem was that since I had these two covered and I started adding ABs here and here, then when I got to this part, I realized, oh no, this side is exactly as this side. So I had to put the same ABs that I put on this side. And that where I went nuts, because you can't see, because once the drills are down, you really can't see. You would have to move them. And that's what I basically had to do. I had to like move them a little bit so I can see what was underneath so it could look the same. It's not perfect because I'm sure that I didn't do everything the same, but that's okay. You know, that happens. So that's a tip, guys. So if you do decide to use release paper, I would basically just use release paper in the middle and work on this side and then immediately go on this side. Just back and forth, if you're going to change drills. Because when I tell you that I went nuts because I couldn't remember where I had changed the drills, and because a lot of them are very similar. It has a lot of detail on her outfit, on her crown, on the bubbles of the background. So it gave me a headache. I pulled all my hair out. I was blind. After a while, I had to like walk away from it and come back. It had nothing to do with the painting. That was on me, because I'm cuckoo. What can I tell you? So just don't do that, guys. But anyway, but it is, like I said, this is beautiful. I had very little trash. These were the leftovers. With Diamond Art Club, you always have leftovers. As you can see, a lot of 310s. Let's bring it up. But over here, these were the special drills. So you get to use all of those. And as you can see, you still have ABs. Yep. So, and I think that's about it, guys. I mean, I definitely recommend this a painting. Oh, by the way, when I got it, it was $40.49. So great price, great size. It's just gorgeous. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you will give Nefertiti a chance and try it. You'll love her. All right, have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. Oh, actually, I should. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring her up. Let me bring her up. I forgot to do that. I'm sorry. So you can see how sparkly she is. Okay, that's the crown. And I'm going to do a little scan so you can, with the camera, so you can see it better. But look at the eyes. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. She's gorgeous, guys. Look at that sparkle. There goes her beautiful outfit or dress. All right. Okay, guys. Well, thank you very much. Bye-bye.